Hello, this is Slavik again. I'm your guide in Showcase for Software Companies. In this video, we will focus again on releasing software product, but this time from a little bit different perspective. So far, we were just fine using Kanban or Scrum to organize the development team. But there can be a situation where an organization needs to release some bigger functionality, some bigger release, which may have strategic importance. Hence, it is impacting also the marketing team, sales team, basically all the company. There we have important milestones and we have a certain sequence of things as we need them to be done. So we are not just fine with Scrum or Kanban, we need to bring waterfall and combine. So that's why hybrid project. All right, let's get started. I am logged in as a project manager, and on my homepage I see currently managed projects. One of them is the one I will be using for this demonstration. This brings us to a dashboard of project which is representing some major product release, and we see that there are truly certain important steps we have in time planned, final beta, internal release, the marketing version. We put the application on trials, and then we will do some production releases, and it can impact many departments. For that, I'm using traditional Gantt, where I have tasks, subtasks, I have tasks organized in milestones, I'm planning time and dependencies. Next to that, as a project manager, I can also see, for example, and use for prioritization, a Kanban, where each deliverable, which is part of this project, represents one swim line. And what can we see here, that it is truly impacting different departments, and there I need to understand here that, e.g., if elevator pitch here is a task which will be delivered by the marketing team also have many other tasks. So you imagine that in marketing there is much bigger Kanban, which is actually working with their backlog for really different daily operations, requirements coming from sales predominantly, and others. And among those, there are also tasks from this project where certain timing is actually essential. So I can see that initiatives, deliverables, tasks planned for this project might be used and might be operated Kanban way in some team Kanban, while here I'm focusing mostly on Gantt and my project management view of the deliverable setup of the priorities. Visualization of timeline in Gantt chart, working with priorities in Kanban can be accompanied with another interesting view, and it is VBS. VBS is allowing me really to easily plan and decompose project through the deliverables, which are in the root elements here, and those decompose further into activities which are leading to finish and deliver the deliverables. This view is handful, especially when you plan the scope, reviewing the scope or reviewing some technical aspects of the project if everything is complete. We will introduce VBS in some other videos in a closer look. So to summarize and understand the value clearly, not everything is purely agile or purely waterfall. Projects may have different natures, and there can be even something in between. Also, on a single project, there might be contributing multiple teams, and those teams are used to work certain way. Easy8 is an adaptive tool which actually allows combination of different working styles on top of the same data using different tools like VBS, Gantt, Kanban, which are complementing each other and really providing the user the experience they need. With this, I would like to thank you for watching this video and looking forward to see you on the next one. Slavik is out.